Hello, Jamaicans.com family. It's saying nothing right now, but some people are going to start coming on shortly. So I want to just show everyone, because this is my first time at Secrets Wild Orchid in Montego Bay, and I'm here with Mr. Billy Love.
Billy P. Love.
All right, you see the outfit? Hold on, I'm showing him the outfit because this is how...
I'm the only one who dressed like this on the property. All right?
They are very stylish here. So this is how the staff in general, they have the fedora. Are those fedoras? You call it fedora? Certainly. You have the staff, the straw fedora. Everybody's looking, well, he's looking far more dapper than everybody else on the property. But this is how the staff is looking. Like, everybody is fresh to death on this property for some reason. And the decor inside of the room. Mr. Billy Love, how long have you been working here at Secret?
8 years.
8 years.
8 years.
And you have the radio voice thing going.
Oh, thank you very much.
And you have the look going.
Thank you.
And that seems to be a consistent thing. Like, there's a level of service and a level of just like poise and dapperness.
It's personality.
Yes.
We're all, it's all character.
Yes.
Work here.
Yes.
We are characters.
Everybody.
So certainly.
You cannot be employed unless you're
correct.
An
you have to
interesting
be.
character.
That's right. So, I represent all the characters.
Yes.
Billy Love.
Billy Love.
All right.
And you hear to the deep voice. Billy Love. All right. And my room is gorgeous. And we just did a quick walk through the property. What are some of the like my favorite thing I've seen so far is the parrots.
You love the parrots.
I love the parrots.
What about peacocks?
I didn't see the peacocks.
Peacocks are around, and it's good when they're hopping up. The pictures, awesome. So you need to look for that also.
Okay, and then you have, you said a foam party?
Foam party, that's over by Breathless. All right.
So there's four buildings.
Right.
There's four buildings, and
but
each of them is different.
Breathless is a different brand. All right. This is the Secret brand, and then you have the Breathless brand.
Right.
And then we have the foam party at 3 o'clock.
So what's
it's kind of wild. It's kind of, lots of foam going up and music and people just.
And this is an adult facility, so does it get a little crazy over there?
It kind of not really crazy.
Not too bad. Not hedonism.
That's right. That's right. Something that you can live with.
Okay.
So, and then the rooftop over there is also great. Awesome view, so you need to check that out.
Okay, so it's food, it's birds, it's foam parties and rooftops.
And then tonight at let me see, for the show time, it's gonna be Secrets Got Talent. So if you sing,
I used to be a singer in my former. I used to tour with Beanie Man. Did you know that?
Is that right?
I used to tour with Beanie Man.
Okay.
I toured with Kimani Marley for a little while.
Is that right?
And Kevin Little, yeah.
Beautiful. I met you before.
You never meet me.
I met you before.
You're too scandalous. Shh. If you did shh. Hello to everybody watching. Hello to everybody. You people that are WhatsApping me, don't WhatsApp me, right? So Mr. Billy Love has shown me around the property that you're here. Hello from Scotland. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm doing just a little quick thing with Mr. Billy Love, who has been kind enough to escort me to my room. I had a little bit of a wait this morning. That's why the long gap. The plane came in, the room wasn't ready, but they've been very gracious. They allowed me to stay and have cocktails and walk around the property at Secrets Wild Orchid in Montego Bay.
There are 2 hotels, St. James and Wild Orchid.
Right. So 2 hotels under the Secret brand.
Right. So you're staying at a Wild Orchid.
And both of them have peacocks and parrots?
They walk all over the place. They live here. This is home for them. Like how for the next few days, this is going to be home for you.
I'm so excited. And by the way, did you hear, what are you talking about the phone? The people who are just joining. Hello from Georgia. Oh, wow. Oh, Georgia the country, not Georgia the state. Hello, Tony from Georgia, from Big Ben. Oh, you've been here before. Michelle Caldwell has been here before. I don't know if you've met Billy Love before. Billy Love, give them the voice again for me.
This is Billy P. Love.
All right. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in.
And guess what?
Yes.
I wrote a little song about the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're going to DJ for us now? What's going on?
No, I don't DJ.
You're going to R&B?
I do sing.
You're going to Barry White?
Welcome home. Welcome home. This is the best kept secret in the world. To the world.
To the world.
Number 1, we have the best program. Come sing and shout. Tell it all about. No need to doubt. The secret is out. The secret is out. The secret is here. We just create excellence, charge the atmosphere, experience the beauty, exceptional quality. Oh, we just walk the talk, we make the mark, we stay in line, we don't nickel or dime. We are a brand champion. Hey, 2 luxury hotels in one. Immerse yourself in a tropical setting. Oh, we give service without measure. Hey, unlimited luxury to a whole new level. We are first class Secrets Resorts. This is your home, home away from home.
Alright, so when you tune into Jamaicans.com, this is the kind of entertainment you get. We are going to be doing this all weekend long, or week long. It's not even a weekend yet. I feel like it's the weekend already because, yes, it's so awesome. But Mr. Sexy Man is going to be here tomorrow morning. That's my business partner at Island Origins Magazine. We work together with Jamaicans.com as well. And I hope I can find you again so we can do some more of this character. He said he was a character, right? Did you believe him? Do you believe him now? All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Billy Love. I appreciate you.
It's such an honor and a pleasure.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. I'm not going to take everyone around the room. So thank you, sir.
Well, I'm going to give you a little orientation before I leave.
Oh, you have to give me give me 1 second. Let me just show everybody the room first. So I want to show you, I have a beautiful, I don't know if this is called a canopy bed because there's not actually a canopy on it, but I wonder if I can turn this camera around. Let me do that. I think I can turn the camera. Yep. All right. So now you're not looking at a wall anymore. So this is the bedroom that I've just been taken into. I have a 4-poster bed. There is a modesty curtain on this wall here, but it looks like it, can open right up to the bathroom that has this gorgeous step into it bathtub. Ooh, jets. I shall be in the bathtub this evening. Thank you very much. I have 2, oh my gosh, look at all this. I'm stealing all of it to go home with, all right? Don't judge me. Oh, wow, okay. So the shower is one of these that rains from the top. So if you have hairdo and all them stuff, don't bother going here. It's the marble all over the inside here. Yep, I love the hearts popping out of the eyes. All works. Oh, okay. Okay, here's your water closet. So that's separate and apart. And what are you showing me? Oh, there's a phone, so you can have a long conversation while you're relieving yourself in the restroom. You're gonna enjoy all of your Secrets branded niceties here. Sunscreen. I normally get lotion, but I never get sunscreen. All right.
That's not a part of your orientation.
My weight? No, I'm not looking at that at all because I had some dessert. I love this bathtub. When I was dreaming of building a house for myself, this would have been the bathtub that would be in here.
So when the rain falls, we do have a umbrella for you.
Okay, that's very convenient. Or a scandal bag if you want to cover your hair.
And then your safe.
Okay, you have your safe and your slippers. Do I have a robe? I live in a robe, you know. No
robes
robe.
are on the
All right. And I have 2 robes over here, both for me. Don't be jealous. If I leave with it, you're going to charge somebody, right? What? It comes with a tablet.
You can browse the internet if you want.
Yes. I love it. Okay.
And
So
all the information
I can stream to the internet while I am
Sundial gives
looking
us
at
the
it.
information
Fantastic.
and the activities and all that and so forth.
I love it. Okay. All right. And this is my bed with like 200 pillows. I'm definitely going to enjoy. Thank you, Mitzi. I am definitely going to. Is this the honeymoon suite? Somebody's asking if this is the honeymoon. This is a regular room, right?
Yeah, this is a regular.
This is a regular room, guys. Don't you grudge me. And so it's all inclusive, so I can drink everything in there and don't have an issue, right? Is room service included, or I have to pay a little extra?
And it's not included.
It's not included. You have to pay a little bit.
No, it's included.
It's included. Okay, you just give a like a tip or something like that.
It's up to you.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. I love this rug. All right. This is, I don't know what you call that, if it's raffia or sisal or bamboo or some kind of little rug. And then I don't know if, how do I get out here? On the balcony. So they gave me.
Always use this side when you're going out.
Always use the left side when you're going out.
Because if you use that side and locked it, you're going to be locked outside.
Oh dear. All right. So because I am a travel journalist on this trip, I was given an oceanfront room. So I don't know how much a night because somebody else paid for it. Of course, red stripe in there. I'm bigger. So you're looking out across Montego Bay. And I hope the selfie stick is strong because I'm going to go out over the balcony and show you the whole panoramic view. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. That's the preferred club, that building that we're looking at here now.
All the celebrities stay.
Oh, ooh, the celebrities. Do we have any celebrities this weekend? Okay. All right. And then now, down there, I don't know what's that cabana looking tiki hut? Yeah, what's that?
This is the Barracuda Bar.
That's the Barracuda Bar. And those are the mountains. And this is the ocean front view. No bag juice. No bag juice in the fridge, Chloe. Cold, Claude. Yeah, man. Come home for your honeymoon, of course. I mean, that's why we're here. We want to show you all of the beautiful things that are available in Jamaica, whether it is that you are going back home or it is that you are coming here as a vacation. What do you drink a lot when you're at home? Bag juice, Lord of mercy. We can't manage it, you know. There is a swim up bar downstairs. So when I get back downstairs, I will do a walk around outside. But right now, I am going to wrap up my orientation with Mr. Billy. Don't look at my handbag. With Mr. Billy Love. And I'm going to head downstairs and go and speak with my Jamaica Tourist Board rep. They have been very gracious to us. Again, myself and Mr. Sexy Man David Muir are going to be down here for the rest of the week in 2 separate rooms. Get your mind out the gutter. All right. We are going to be down here and just showing you all of the loveliness. That's TV. I'm showing you all of the loveliness that is in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I hope you have enjoyed this little look inside of the rooms and the views at Secrets Wild Orchid. There's also Secret St. James. There's also 2 other properties on here, but these are the 2 that we're concerned with, right? The ones with the peacocks and the parrots.
Right.
And the foam party. Oh, the foam party is next door. We don't care. All right. So we will see you all a little bit later. Please share this video. Share it on Island Origins as well. Just hashtag Island Origins for me. I forgot to do it. If it's, yes, it's beautiful and it's expensive, but if you want good things, you have to pay for them. Diane Mercer, thank you. All right, so save up a little bit of money and come on down here because it's well worth it. It's gorgeous. I've shown you all of the fabulous amenities. Tell them that Jamaicans.com sent you. All right, love you guys. See you later.